One integral is given to us, integration 1 divided by cos x minus a into cos x minus b into dx. Now listen me carefully. We have cos and cos, same functions, but the angle are different. In one angle we have minus a, in another we have minus b. So always remember, whenever you have cos and cos, so always divide and multiply by sine. So 1 divided by sine into, this is integral, this is sine of. Now I'm going to tell you what is the angle. So this is divided by cos of x minus a into cos of x minus b into dx. Now what will be the angle? So how you will find out the angle? So simply x minus a minus x minus b. So x and x is cancel out, so angle will be b minus a. So it will be sine of b minus a, it will be sine of b minus a. Fine. Now can I rearrange this? So this is equal to 1 divided by sine of b minus a into integral. Can I write this as sine of x minus a minus, this is x minus b. Fine. Divided by, this is cos of x minus a into cos of x minus b into dx, because x and x will be cancelled out, so we will be getting b minus a exactly the same. Now I am going to use one formula we know very well. Sine of a minus b is nothing but, this is sine a cos b minus cos a sine b. Fine. So this is equal to 1 divided by, this is sine of b minus a integral. So what will be the sine a? So this is a, this is a b. So can I write sine a? So this is sine of x minus a, sine a cos b. So cos of x minus b minus cos a. So cos of x minus a into sine b. So sine of x minus b divided by cos of, this is x minus a into cos of x minus b into dx. Let me separate. So this is equal to 1 divided by, this is sine of b minus a integral. So can I write like this? This is sine of x minus a into cos of x minus b divided by, this is cos of x minus a into cos of x minus b into dx minus integration of, this is cos of x minus a into sine of x minus b divided by cos of, this is x minus a into cos of x minus b into dx. Fine. Now let us cancel. So what will happen? This cos x minus b and cos x minus b cancel out, and here cos x minus a and cos x minus a is cancel out. So 1 divided by, this is sine of b minus a is outside. Fine. So this is completely outside. So can I say, so this is integration of, this is outside. So sine divided by cos is nothing but, this is tan of x minus a into dx minus integration of, it will become tan of x minus b into dx. Fine. So can I say this is nothing but 1 divided by sine of b minus a bracket start, this is nothing but minus ln mod of cos of x minus a. Fine. And minus, and again I will be getting minus, so it will become plus. This is ln cos of x minus b plus c, or I can write like this, this is equal to 1 divided by sine of b minus a. I can use one formula. This can be written as ln cos of x minus b divided by cos of x minus a plus c is the answer. Thank you.